Today we are about to do. I have the all-wheel drive light on. It's the all-wheel drive. So soon as you start the car, you see all-wheel drive light on. And I check the transfer case. That's usually what it is when the all-wheel drive light is on. If the all-wheel drive light is on, most likely you have to check the transfer case. Check for the code first. Usually if it's C1204 or C1203, you know the fuse is out. Okay, the fuse is not there. Somebody pulled it out, or the fuse is just blown. So check that before anything. Then there will be a code for C1210. It's most likely the module, which I'm about to change. I'll change that first before you even touch the transfer case. I'll check the fluid in the transfer case in case it's low, or see if it's any sluggage in there. Let's drain it, see if it's any sluggage, dirty, whatever. The fluid was good, there's no sludge, and sensors is good. All the ABS sensors is good. So the only problem is this is your problem. Okay, so this will solve all that. So I'm gonna show you how to replace it. It's behind the glove box, easy peasy. And slow ass crank on your battery. As you see, the all-wheel drive light is on. Okay, nice door. You see that light? That light is on. So the wheel sensors are good. I just changed the bearings, so that's definitely not the wheel sensor. Those were the basics. Now to check the actual module. Let's start that and see if this goes away. We're not going to disconnect the battery because I'll reset it. It'll take time to come back. So we're just going to go straight in there, drop it out, and put the other one. And see if the light is still there. Okay, so if you know how to take off the glove box, just skip this. Because this is for anybody who does not. Because I have a video on this already. I want to do it again in case you don't want to just go find it. I wouldn't go find it either. I'll just go off this video because I'm gonna do the same thing. Oh, yeah, take off the side. Boom, this is it. It's right there. Okay, then the screws up here. 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's one down here. Oh, yeah, right down here somewhere. Where is it? Oh yeah, guess it's out. There's supposed to be one here. It's out already, and one's supposed to be here. That's out. Guess somebody went in here already. Anyways, let's drop this. Drop it. Not drop it, but let's take out the screws. Screwdriver. Okay. And there's one right in the middle. I'm gonna show you where it's at, because people be forgetting about those. Well, that one. Shit. Okay. Now you gotta pull this back. There's a thing over here, so guess it's not connected. Huh. People was lazy. Huh. Okay. So since that's out, you gotta pull on that. Okay. And the sides, just pull on the sides, should come out. Like that. Okay. So this was supposed to be on it, and it's not on there. Anyways, there, and don't forget about this screw right here that's in the middle. You see that? That's why this thing is getting stuck, because people forget that screw. It's the same process, dual cabin filter. I have a video on that too. Okay. Okay, now let's drop this thing. Just drop it. Oh yeah, let's drop the bottom of this. Then, shit. And supposed to happen. Sheesh. Whatever, put this on later. But anyways, leave this like this because the module is right in here. You're gonna need a 10 mil that's disconnected first, or if you want to just test it before you take it out. So let's test it. So let's get the connector out. As you see, just push on it. This is the test that the module that we have works. So I got the module right here. Now we're about to just plug it in and see if this is the problem. Plug it in there like so. Now let's start the car and see if this was the issue. Okay. Now, cross the fingers. Let's start it. Let's cross the fingers and start it. As you see, it shut off. Okay, so you know that's the problem. So let's take it out and bolt it on. Okay, got the ratchet 10 on here. Get a ratchet 10 if you have one. So unplug it first. Unplug that. This. Boom. One up here. Shit. I was fucking my hand up. Anyways, that's unscrewed. Let's unscrew it. Okay. Okay, got the second bolt off. Let's remove this on the side. Pull it out this way. This is the old one. Pull it out. And let's put the other one. Okay, now let's plug it in. Let's put the glove box back together and wrap this up. Okay, take that in. Put the glove box back. Same way you took it out. Put the screws. Boom, boom. All right, this fell off. Remember, this fell off. Okay, now I'm just basically putting the screws back, 4 on top, the middle one, and the sides, because I find the screws for those. So I'm gonna put those on. Okay, I'll put the screws in. Let's put this bottom piece back on. There's 2 things over here. You should go in there and pop it up. Okay, pop it up. Like so. Now, to put this on the correct way, this gotta be on there. Then you put it on there all together. Okay, that's snapped in there. Snapped in. Now let's put these on the side and snap the bottom. Okay, there you go. It should be going down like this, nice and slow. Okay, let's put these sides on. Manual back in there. That's it. Don't get too hyped yet. Make sure you drive the car and make sure that light doesn't come on whatsoever. Also, don't forget to check the fuse. It's called the all-wheel drive fuse. It's not all-wheel drive, but let me show you this. When you open this thing right here, it's right here. It's the ETS solenoid. So if the ETS fuse is still in there and you still have the light, it might have to check it out further. It might be the actual transfer case. because there's a sensor inside there. You can't really change the sensor out. You actually have to open the actual transfer case and get inside there to get to that sensor. Might as well just change the transfer case if that's your problem, because they're not even that much money. It's probably like $100 junkyard. Make sure you get one with like low miles, not too high, because you don't want another messed up one on it. That wasn't my problem, so mine was just the module. Alright, later.